Hi, I'm Erin Jocelyn with the Weiss-Jocelyn team at Coldwell Banker, and today I'm in one of my favorite places in the whole city. This is the historic Brewers Hill neighborhood, and it is just a feast for the eyes architecturally. You've got all kinds of homes here, from stately Italianate fortresses to cozy crafts and bungalows. It's situated on a bluff overlooking the city, and it's one of the oldest neighborhoods in Milwaukee. I really adore it, and I hope you do too. I've got a new listing here, and I can't wait to show it to you. Here we are at our new listing, 217 East Garfield Avenue, and it is bright, it is spacious, and best of all, it's completely renovated from top to bottom. What I really love about this place is the open concept main floor. You've got a fabulous cook's kitchen with granite countertops, a lovely sitting area with a big picture window overlooking the front porch. You've got laundry right here hidden behind really nice pocket doors. You've got a spacious foyer with the original banister, which adds a lot of period charm, and you've got a deck leading to the double lot backyard.